Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today we are at the Anglesey Abbey, and it was built in the 1600s on top of a priory. It's super cool, and if you can't tell, it is another rainy day in England, but we are so happy to be here with you. Another fun fact is that this estate was bequeathed to the National Trust in 1966, so I'm happy that it is here for everyone to explore because it's huge. It has 98 acres of woodlands and gardens, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful place to be. Today, I'm going to discuss the difference between a sophisticated investor and an accredited investor. So, just to break it down between the two, what is sophisticated investor? A sophisticated investor is anyone who does not meet the requirements of an accredited investor, which I will go over in a bit. But so as defined by the SEC, a sophisticated investor has sufficient knowledge and experience in financial and business matters to make them capable of evaluating the merits and risks of a potential investment. And so really what that is that like you can look over and understand what you are doing, because that's what the SEC is really worried about, is that people who don't meet like their threshold of an accredited investor will just go into investments not knowing what the risks are. And so they're trying to avoid that at all costs. And so another term for a sophisticated investor is a non-accredited investor or a retail investor. And so what this all includes is that any investor whose net worth is less than $1 million and has an annual income under $200,000 individually or $300,000 with a spouse. So it's just everybody who's under that realm. But don't worry, a lot of people are there, and just through real estate investing and other ways of investing, people will definitely get above that threshold. So don't feel discouraged if that's you. And so while sophisticated investors may not qualify for all of the real estate investing opportunities as an accredited investor does, because there is a difference, and Michael has gone through this in a different video. It's the 506B versus a 506C, and it's just who can invest in what types of investments. So if you haven't checked that one out, please do, so you can learn a little bit more that way. But we at Adventurous Real Estate Investors offer investment opportunities that welcome sophisticated investors as long as we have a prior existing relationship with you. So if you are interested in investing, please reach out, because that is the only way you can find out about some of our deals. And if you ever have any questions or concerns about investing, we are available to chat whenever you want or need. We stand by you in this entire process and keep you informed along the way, because we know that investing even something like $5,000 as large as $250,000 is a big commitment. And so communication and transparency are very, very important. And we understand that those facets are critically important for building trust. So an accredited investor must meet one of the following, and I will try to go through this the very best that I can. So that personal income requirement is that an accredited investor has been making $200,000 or more over the past 2 years, and they expect that they will be reaching the same income level for like this year or the next year. For a joint income requirement, it is that individual who wants to invest and their spouse has been making $300,000 or more over the past 2 years. And again, they think that they will reach that same income level again during the current year. So for the net worth requirements, accredited investors have an individual net worth or a joint net worth with their spouse that exceeds $1 million, and that excludes their primary residence. So if you're going to invest on behalf of a company or an investment, so the company has to have more than $5 million in assets, and or all of the equity owners have to be accredited. So you can also qualify as an accredited investor by having certain professional certifications. And those certifications can include the Series 7, the Series 65, and the Series 82 licenses. So if you do have any of those, just to let you know, you can be an accredited investor. And so here at Adventurous Real Estate Investors, we want to involve both types of investors in our deals, because we truly understand how important it is that everybody has an opportunity to invest. So if you found value in this video, please smash the like button below and subscribe to our channel here. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!